Welcome back, guys, to QBSYLUHV channel. Today I would like to talk about a Tellor TRB, what's going on, why we pump it, and how low we can drop or how high we can pump next. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I hope you didn't skip all videos about altcoins, because sooner or later, in 90 cases, almost all these altcoins will play out by main scenarios. And here was the main plan. 1 month ago, I made a big video, Tellor TRB Price Prediction bull run plan, and it's just the beginning. This plan still in play, and yes, we pump it, but can drop much lower. What I don't like on TRB, look, we got all these charts on TRB USD on a Binance from November 19, and also we got this TRB USDT chart from August 20. And one main difference, it's a main gap on the weekly time frame here around 0.38 LBFIB. Mark this price, it's 83.60. It's a 0.38 LBFIB, and we got a gap on USDT trading pair, and like you can see, we got a tiny one gap, the same level, 84.27. The same level, 0.38 LBFIB. That's why this level can be like a magnet. Not now, but sooner or later we come back to this target. What we can see now and why we pump it, we have to double check on indicators, but just the basic information here, we just leave liquidity. Here, we leave liquidity here, and I mark it, we have to test a zero level. It was only zero level, what I showed you in video, 33.66. It's a zero level on TRB, and higher than this liquidity here. And like you can see, the seller pressure, it's a weekly time frame, huge weak candle. In this case, we'll leave a weekly gap under, so this is a bearish gap, and we got still not close, one more bearish gap under $6.20. It's a fulfill of weekly gap under. It's not necessary, so we have to come back and close this week, but this is one thing what I still don't like on TRB, because we tested several times. We tested 27 zone, 18 LBFIB, but didn't drop like many other altcoins. We didn't drop to 50% of this range. 50% of this range, it's around $3 till $5. So this range, it can be this low. Most negative scenario, drop from 26 or even drop from $50 or almost $50 to 5. It's going to be crazy, 92% or 90% drop. So it's going to be wild. That's why it's negative scenario. I hope we'll not see this scenario. I hope we will just hold the line at 18 LBFIB, and maybe after end of this bull run, we will come back, and 50% of this range will be the bottom for the next bear market. This is what I hope so. Locally now, what we can see positive scenario, it's if we go and just close 50% of this week candle on a weekly. This week or next one, we can see something like this one, 37.40, and then down. This is a positive scenario. Conservative scenario, we're going to previous high, sweep, and hold the line at fulfill 1873. And negative scenario, something like this one. So just be careful now, because of this coin pump it insanely. From this was in August, we trade at $9.28, we pump at 400%. So this was insane rally, and we got a huge seller pressure. It's on a weekly time frame. On a daily time frame, it looked like this one. That's why, yes, we can go and close weekly fulfill 1880. It will be the healthy correction. Also, if we take a look, this is like a FIB, here. We can go even to, yes, with a weak candle, we can touch 1786 or even 1495. So it will be the more than healthy correction, negative scenario, you already know how low we can drop. That's why now let's go to indicator set and double check what's going on. ADZ direction. Why do people selling? Because we came into crazy distribution area here on the weekly time frame. So it was insane pump and insane seller pressure. So now it was not the right time to jump in at $30 or $40 per Tellor. Why we pump it? Because here we was in accumulation, and we was in accumulation on direction on the weekly. So the higher time frame, the strongest signal. That's why I highly recommend you use indicator set. Market mood here. This belief was here in June, and because of pretty low supply, less than 3 million coin circulation supply, and in total supply less than 3 million, 2.5 I guess. This was June 2023, lowest point $8.42. This belief. Now we came into extreme distribution zone. Last time we saw it here, here and here. It was a time to out of this coin. On a weekly, one more time, trade on a weekly. One more thing, what I don't like, we got main signal to sell, and only recommendation close position. Still didn't see the main signal to buy. It's not a 100% option, so we have to see the main signal to buy. But yes, if Bitcoin dominance, for example, now skyrocket to 57%, altcoins can bloody, and we can drop like this one, and we will see the signal to buy. But we try hold the line at 18 level by fib. 27 zone is legit. So now I'm not recommend you to buy either now at Tellor. Yes, of course, we have a chance on some altcoins, on some hype news going to 23, 38, close the full fill, but it's just a risk reward. So you have to take a own risk, because from this current price, for example, we can pump 200, but in the same way, you can lose 76%. That's why just use your risk management properly and make your own decision to buy now or wait. And last indicator is take profit, like you can see on a weekly. We go in much higher than exit line. That's why buy line now for Tellor, it's 1140. Only buy line. On the daily, it looked like this one. Yes, lines curve up, and maybe yes, till that time when we came into this target, it can be like this move 18. The similar situation can be like with XVG or Bitcoin Cash. That's why I recommend you use indicator set and track these levels. Track the buy line on the daily. Buy line on the daily now it's 1433. So guys, I hope you like this video about Tellor. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, and don't skip the videos about altcoins main plan for bull runs. See you next time, guys.